Direct replacement. These fuel line connectors fit and function like the vehicle's original equipment connectors for reliable, leak-free performance. Quality construction. Manufactured from premium materials for a long service life. Saves money. Replace only the part, not the entire assembly. Excellent value. Original equipment quality at a lower price. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Replace only the damaged connectors instead of the entire fuel line with these direct replacement fuel line connectors. Designed for easy installation and a precise fit, they are engineered to withstand extreme underhood conditions. Top reviews from the United States. No special disconnect tool required. I really like that a special tool is not required to disconnect this. Just a little screwdriver or pick can do it. And, if you break the little clip, you can get replacements at local auto parts stores for a couple bucks for a pack of 6. This works well to replace the fuel line connector on my Pontiac G8 where it connects to the tank. I mangled my original real good.